Welcome back to a new Thai chips video where I buy Thai chips and bring them back to review them. So let's go ahead and see what's in the bag. Okay, so this first one is from Lay's and it's a Thai boat noodle flavor. And this is a Thai corn chip. And these are some toasted green peas that are coated in wasabi flavor. And this is a dried fish snack. And these are some crispy rolls made of taro. And last time we had something similar to this, except this time it's caramel butter plus black pepper and garlic. And just as a bonus, I bought this drink because it looked interesting and I never tried it before. Okay, starting off with the boat noodle Lays. In my opinion, I think these tasted flavorful, but not exactly boat noodles. I think more like some beef ragu or something. For these ones, I would give it a 5 out of 10. Next up is the Thai corn chips. These ones were pretty good. I like the neutral flavor of it, so I would give it a 8.5 out of 10. It just has a normal roasty chip flavor. Now with the caramel butter chips with the black pepper garlic combo. This one had a pretty interesting flavor, but I think I prefer the original butter caramel flavor more. And I think I would give this a 5 out of 10. And now with the wasabi flavored green pea chips. So these green peas have been toasted till they're super crispy, so they taste just like any other chip, but I really like the wasabi flavor. It's spicy and also really flavorful. So I would give this a 9 out of 10. And now we got the crispy taro rolls. For these ones, I would have to give it a 9 out of 10 as well because they taste just like coconut rolls, and I think coconut rolls are great. Next up is this dried fish snack. So the reason they look like this is because they flatten the fish, and also they cut it as well, so that's why it looks like very thin strips of fish. So I really like this one. It tasted almost like dried squid. Basically it's a bit sweet and has that dried squid flavor. And although these aren't crispy, I would give this a 8.5 out of 10, and the flavor is good, and I know it would be even better if you could like microwave it so that it's crispy. Then it would be like a 9 out of 10. And then the last one is not chips, but it looked interesting to me. So basically it's bingsu mango flavored, and and I just wanted to see how it would taste in a drink. Okay, so I think I've had something like this before. It's one of those very sweet jelly drinks, and this one has a lot of mango syrup in it, and for this kind of drink I think kids would like it, maybe after football or something. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again soon.